Hey everybody, welcome. Happy Thursday. I'm Jay. This is Jacob. It's subscriber feedback, where you send audio, I listen, and try to help you out. If you'd like to send an audio just like this, there's a form in the description. It's free. Do it. If you'd like to jump the queue and get priority access, right now there's a bit of a waiting list. You can join the booth buddies down below or check out my website for coaching. Otherwise, hey everybody, thanks for being here. Thanks for hanging out. This is 3 separate little ad spots that we'll give a listen and give feedback for. First things first, Jacob, we're a little quiet overall here, so I'm just going to boost the volume for everybody at home. Let's take a listen. I'll stop and start as we go.
With Nucleus, you can control your client ecosystem from a single application, manage licenses, and solve problems remotely. Make your business operations simpler, faster, and more efficient than ever with Nucleus.
Groovy. Okay. First things first, sounding pretty good. Like your audio quality overall sounds great. Great music choice. As you could tell, I was jamming to it. Those are the technical notes. Other than low volume, I think you're doing a good job. Music is well balanced, etc., etc. I am hearing quite a bit of mouth noise behind the music. Happens to all of us, but super easy fix that I have a video on mouth clicks, but this guy here, Isotope RX, I put it on everything just because I have misophonia and I hate mouth sounds. So this is a great way to tidy that up, and you won't have an issue there at the end of the day. So other than that, just staying hydrated, making sure you're not chugging glasses of milk before you get to go to record, which, it's tough to resist. Weird thing to say. In terms of your read itself, I think your pacing is great. You clearly have a good idea of how to lay this out. I trust that you know what you're saying. The thing that I would love to hear more of in this one is just a little bit more energy and passion behind the thing. So in listening to it one more time, we'll listen to it and then I'll chat more about that idea specifically.
With Nucleus, you can control your client ecosystem from a single application.
So right there, obviously really clear, really well enunciated, and we're just like barely getting there, but there's something about the pacing that's a little dragged, I guess, where I might try to pick up the pace a little bit. You could even do that just arbitrarily, pick up the pace, and that might kickstart you into just having a higher energy, more forward-leaning thing. Right now, it just feels a little bound, I guess. So we'll listen to this first phrase one more time, and I'll do an A-B comparison. What I'm hearing, as always, I'm not doing a parrot or I'm not doing an impression of you. I'll just try to capture the energy generally, and then I'll do sort of the new direction that I would encourage, or maybe see if you wanted to try it.
With Nucleus, you can control your client ecosystem from a single application, manage licenses.
So this is what I'm hearing. With Nucleus, you can control all your applications with a single application. So there's a little bit of heavy enunciation going on, a little bit of tension, I guess you could say. And what I would like to hear, let me get the words again.
With Nucleus, you can control your client ecosystem from a single application.
With Nucleus, you can control your entire client ecosystem with a single application. So the shift there is, and that's not the right way to do it necessarily, but it's just an A-B comparison. I'm going a little bit more quickly. I am a little bit more invested in what I'm saying. Right now it feels a little bit labored. We'll keep going because my note holds true for your next 2 spots. So bear that in mind, and we'll break these next 2 down in the same way.
Time and again, the entertainment industry reinvents itself. Paradigm-shifting innovations rise and fall like waves. But there is one constant: our love of story.
Okay. So you're doing a good job here, again, with the enunciation. Again, you're sort of, you are capturing the tone of what this thing is. Great music choice. But there's just like a little bit of a disconnect between what you're saying and how you're saying it, and the sort of connection between the words and the feeling behind them. To say it in just sort of a blunt way, you're saying the words well, but I don't trust that you know the words you're saying. It sounds more like you're just reading a script rather than actually impassioned and representing this thing personally. So let's listen to that again, and and to be clear with that, you're not giving a bad read here. I just think that we can go further, and by tipping into that, it'll send you over the top and far away really, really quickly.
Time and again, the entertainment industry reinvents itself. Paradigm-shifting innovations rise and fall like waves.
So that one is a good example of what I'm talking about.
Paradigm-shifting innovations rise and fall like waves.
So when you say paradigm-shifting innovations, you present the words well, everything's super clear, but I don't hear the paradigm-shifting innovations that you're talking about in your mind's eye. When you say paradigm-shifting innovations, I want to hear in your voice the things that you're visualizing in that moment. So, for example, if I say buttery croissant, I just am saying the word, but if you hear me visualizing it, buttery croissant, it's a stupid thing, but slight, very minute difference. But if you spend the time imagining the deal and the image is clear in your head, we'll hear it as the listener, and it'll do a lot for you. So simple things like that, paradigm shifting innovations. What are we talking about specifically? Well, here we're talking about
Our love of story.
our love of story. So what are those things? The innovation of animation, computer graphics, CGI, things like that, video games and how the deepening of stories, the immersive nature of them as we move into VR, paradigm shifting innovations. Those are the kinds of things that you want to be imagining and lean into when you're delivering a script like this.
That moment when the noise fades and we're transported somewhere new. A new world, a new reality. That's the power of storytelling.
You did that section really, really well. And I think to my note, it would just be made much clearer for this section specifically. I think if there were visuals with it, like you were backing a ad on YouTube or something like that, this would be really effective the way it's delivered. Since we're working with just audio, I would love to hear, again, just more specificity in the things that you're talking about, like
A new world.
a new world. What specific world are you imagining? Is it, Peter Pan? Is it a fantasy world? Is it like Lord of the Rings? Is it like Star Wars? Or is it a combination of the things? A new world. Just getting specific about that will really, really help push it further.
Every project has its own unique set of challenges. The process shouldn't be one of them. But when we clear the path for artists to create, ideas evolve, collaborations accelerate, the work flows.
Yeah, really nice. Really, really nice.
Every project has its own unique set of challenges.
It's still from the first spot. There's a little bit of extra effort that I hear coming into it at times. Sometimes it's really, really casual, really, really conversational. But in this one here,
Every project has its own unique set of challenges.
there's something about the pacing of it and or the way that you're enunciating the words, to me at least, that feels a little bit more effortful than we need to be. So I'll do another A-B thing here. Again, not mimicking you, but just sort of trying to...
Every project has its own unique set of challenges.
Every project has its own unique set of challenges. Like own unique feels a little bit more muscular than maybe it has to be. Every project has its own unique set of challenges. It's just a little bit easier and a little bit more, I'm just Jay. I'm jazzed about storytelling. Every project has its own unique set of challenges. I don't know. Let me know if that makes sense.
Right now,
But to be very, very clear, I love this latter section very, very much for you and just in general. I might also experiment with picking up the pace a little bit at times for you specifically as a point of exercise, because your pacing from each of these three samples is relatively similar, and having the flexibility to go more quickly if and when you need, because you've got this pace on lock. You've got this pace on lock. I would love to just explore and give you more control over fast pacing, slow pacing, yada, yada, yada.
Right now, you can get the new bath or shower you've been dreaming of with no interest and no payments for up to 12 months. Call to schedule your free in-home consultation with our design experts. We'll give you a quote that's good for a year, and for a limited time, we're waiving all installation costs. Call now. Right now, you can get the new bath or shower you've been dreaming of with no interest and no payments for up to 12 months.
Yeah, it's really good, and there's just like a hair's breadth missing. And I really think it just comes down to that visualization of things. Like when you're saying the bath or shower you've been dreaming of, it feels like copy. It feels like a script rather than like, hey, I'm somebody who's passionate about trying to get you the bath or shower that you've always wanted. And actually visualizing those specific things, like the settings on the different hardware, the tiles, the colors that we can put in there. I want to get you in there and have it be the thing that you've always been dreaming of. You've delivered this really, really well. And the next step will simply be to just have a real specific image in your mind of what the things you're talking about are, why they're important to you, and why they're important to the person that you're trying to help in this situation. The last thing that I'll say about this one is this button here.
Call now. We're waiving all installation costs. Call now.
The call now, it's a tricky thing because, again, it's done well, but the simplest way to put it is that somebody told me this really early in my career is if you do a shrug, it helps the end of things, the smile and shrug. Because right now it's call now, which is totally fine, totally serviceable, and it feels kind of silly, honestly, to spend a lot of time talking about call now. But if you smile and shrug, call now. It has this, suggestion and factor to it. I did not do it well just then, but it's a really small thing that I'm getting super nitpicky on. What's with me today? I'm being nitpicky, Jacob, but really, really great work. To summarize, I think pick up the pace when you can, both to experiment and just push yourself to move a little bit more quickly. Feel free to be a little bit more casual or relaxed with your enunciation at times, and turn up the volume on your spots like this if and when you're using them, because that'll help you out a bit. But great work, my friend. Great work. For everybody else, I hope it was helpful for you too. If you've got more questions, if you've got more stuff, I'm here. And that's it. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, be well.